Some points to remember here. First, the 12-volt battery cutoff switch at the entry door must be in the on position. Second, the comfort control must be turned on to operate any heating, ventilation, or air conditioning function. Finally, the coach will not heat or cool any faster by selecting a very high or very low temperature setting. The control in the living room will operate the front roof air conditioner as well as the Aqua Hot. The comfort control in the bedroom operates the rear roof air and the mid-roof air conditioner. The different functions of the system can be operated by repeatedly depressing the mode button. The fan button controls the roof air conditioner fan speed. 3 speeds are available: low, medium, and high. Fan speed control applies to the roof air conditioner's blower speed only. Selecting the fan speed auto adjusts the fan speed automatically, depending on temperature set point and actual temperature in a selected zone. The roof air conditioner will use all 3 blower speeds when auto fan is selected in cool mode. If operating in heat pump mode, only low or high blower speeds will be used. The living room comfort control will operate both the dinette and living room heat exchangers. The bedroom controller will operate the hallway, bathroom, and bedroom heat exchangers. To use the Aqua Hot system, simply turn on the switch at the galley. Set the comfort control to furnace, and then set the room temperature. The Aqua Hot burner provides a virtually endless supply of hot water. The 110 switch works for small amounts of hot water while you're under shore power or while operating your generator. The Aqua Hot heating system can also preheat your engine block in cold climates. Simply turn on the engine heat switch at the driver's control panel 2 to 3 hours prior to engine start. If, however, you want to preheat your engine block with 120-volt power, turn on the engine block switch on the driver's side switch panel. A nice new feature this year is the Auto Gen Start that keys off the temperature. As you know, the air conditioners need 120-volt power from either shore power or the generator to operate. This feature allows you to set the room temperature at which you want to keep the coach and will automatically start the generator and the air conditioners. For example, if you're in a warm climate and you want to go play golf and you don't have shore power available, but you want to return to a nice cool coach afterwards, just set the temperature and the amount of time you want the generator to run. Set the switch to enable and it'll take care of the rest. To operate any LP gas appliance, 12-volt power must be available to power circuit boards, ignitors, and motors. The battery must be fully charged and the LP valve must be turned on at the tank and at the appliance. Some appliances require 120-volt power. If you're starting an LP or liquid propane appliance for the first time, or if your coach has been in storage for more than a couple of months, it could have air in the lines and the appliances may need to be cycled several times before the LP reaches them to ignite. To expedite this process, turn on a range-top burner until it lights. This will bring the LP into the main line more quickly, leaving less air to purge in the branch lines that supply other LP gas appliances. To use the cooktop, place the cookware on the burner grate over the desired surface burner. Open the burner valve by applying a downward pressure on the knob and rotating counterclockwise from the off position. Press the knob down to activate the ignitors. All of the ignitors will click at the same time. You should be able to hear them. When the burner lights, release the knob and rotate to the desired flame setting. In the event of a power outage or igniter failure, the cooktop can be lit manually. To operate the oven, if so equipped, push in on the oven control knob and rotate it counterclockwise to the pilot on position. Then light the pilot, located toward the rear of the oven under the broiler. The oven and broiler are now ready for operation. The refrigerator can operate with both AC power and LP gas. To start the refrigerator when plugged into shore power or the generator is running, press and hold the on button until the AC light comes on. Using the mode button, select AC for 120-volt AC power, LP for LP gas operation, or put it on AU for auto. In auto, the refrigerator will select AC power and the LP gas will come on automatically if AC power is lost. To cycle the refrigerator igniter, turn the refrigerator on and wait for about 30 seconds for the automatic igniter to start the refrigerator. If it fails to ignite, no FL will appear in the LED window. Turn it off, then back on again. Repeat this cycle until the refrigerator burner ignites. The gas light on the refrigerator panel will light up when it's ignited. Once the refrigerator is operating, set the temperature with the Temp button, with 1 being the warmest setting and 9 being the coldest. The outlet for the front TV is controlled by the ignition switch, so to watch the front TV, the ignition needs to be off. To operate the home theater system, you must either plug into shore power, start the generator, or turn on the inverter. Viewing time from the TV from the inverter depends on the state of charge of the house batteries and any additional 12-volt DC lighting being used. The battery cutoff switch must be on to operate the system and related devices. Before getting started, turn on all of your home entertainment components. This will help acquaint you with your new system. Once you feel familiar with it, you may not need everything on. For instance, you may want to watch the TV without the surround system on. The coach is equipped with a television antenna with built-in electronics, which uses 12-volt DC to boost signal strength. The booster and the antenna work together to provide the best possible picture in most situations. However, there are times when boosting the signal can make reception worse, and lowering the antenna may actually help. To raise the antenna, rotate the crank clockwise. To turn the antenna for best reception, pull the outer ring down and rotate it. When you're ready to stow it, turn it so that it lines up with the arrow and then crank it counterclockwise once again. The antenna and cable inputs are both connected to the selector. To select the antenna input, push the button in the in position. To select cable, push the button and release it to the out position. In order to simplify the use of your home entertainment system, Monaco has provided a universal remote control. This is the Home Theater Master MX800. You should note, this is a custom programmed RF or radio frequency remote control, and only qualified personnel using special equipment should attempt to program it. Push and hold the on button of the master remote to turn on all of the components of the home entertainment system. It may take 10 to 20 seconds to turn them all on. Components must be in the standby mode for this feature to work. Push the main button to start and make a selection. Press the page button to access pages. These pages will reveal most functions found on the component remotes. The MX800 is custom programmed for each coach according to the home entertainment package installed and controls all of the home theater components. These components are listed on the menu screen, which is accessed by pushing the main button. The master remote will act like the remote of the last component selected. To access the other features of each component, use the page button while in the selected component's main screen. For a more complete understanding of how the entertainment system operates, we recommend you spend some time reading the component manuals, as well as the coach owner's manual. There can be several different ways to operate the components, and some are easier than others. All audio signals from each of the home theater components go through the Bose surround system. However, the TV does have its own stereo sound. The Bose system also has an AM, FM, and DVD and CD player. To view the 42-inch plasma TV or the 37-inch LCD TV, lower the TV by flipping the switch near the entertainment center. Make sure the tuner is turned on. Use the master remote to turn on the TV. If the TV does not turn on, check the manual on-off switch located at the top right corner of the TV. It's the big button. Once this is turned on, it will go to standby mode when you turn the TV off with the remote. On the cable antenna box, be sure to choose ANT for watching broadcast television or AUX for watching cable TV. To watch a DVD, select FTTV, then DVD, then go back to the main screen. Page 2 and select Bose and select CD/DVD for volume control. That will turn on the surround system. In the Bose menu of the master remote, select TV or whatever you're watching to get the audio for that component. Set the speaker mode you wish to use and adjust the volume. Use the remote to navigate as you would with any remote. While playing a DVD, the Bose remote will allow you to do more things like scene selection, fast forward, etc. To operate the satellite system, the receiver must be turned on. On the master remote, main menu, select FTTV, then SAT. Wait a few seconds for the master to set the TV to the proper settings, then select the channel you wish to view. If you have the optional fully automatic in-motion satellite system with Sony receiver, all you need to do is turn on the switch to activate the dish. Turn on the receiver, and it will automatically find the satellite within a few seconds. To extend the bedroom TV for viewing, simply press and hold the bottom button until the TV is fully exposed. To retract the TV, press the top button until it's fully retracted. The bedroom entertainment system operates in a similar manner as the front and is separate from the front entertainment system. The TV must be on channel 3 to view the DVD, VCR, and satellite inputs. AV1 needs to be selected to view the Aladdin. To view antenna or cable, select one as you would for the front TV and choose your channel. The bedroom TV, like the front TV, must have the power on and be in the standby mode to use the remote. For a more complete understanding of how the entertainment system operates, we recommend you spend some time reading the component manuals as well as the coach owner's manual. There can be several different ways to operate the components. Some are easier than others. The Girard Awning is very simple to operate. It uses 120-volt electric power, so you'll need a shore power source or the generator or the inverter handy, and it comes with this cool remote. To extend the awning, push the bottom button on the remote. It will extend all the way out. If you want to stop it for any reason before it reaches full extension, push the middle button on the remote. It's important not to leave the awning partially extended in the rain. It should be all the way out or all the way in, as the support arms are designed to offer the most support when extended all the way. To retract the awning, push the top button on the remote. It will move all the way to the stow position. Again, if you want to stop it, simply push the middle button. This awning has a wind sensor that will automatically retract the awning when it senses a wind speed that could cause damage. Now that you're the proud owner of a new Monaco coach, we would like to make it possible for you to expand your lifestyle to include participation in our clubs and rallies. Once we receive the limited warranty registration card from your dealer, you'll be mailed a new owner packet that will include a certificate for your free one-year membership in Monaco International. Be sure to mail that certificate soon. Also included in your new owner packet will be your first issue of our lifestyle magazine. As a Monaco owner, you'll receive this incredible magazine every other month. This publication will keep you up to date on rallies and events. Our clubs have many wonderful members who love to get together at rallies where they enjoy each other's company, as well as many fun activities. If you do not receive your new owner's packet within 3 weeks after delivery, please call Sarah Spicer, Customer Events Coordinator at 800-634-0855, extension 8272. Or email sarah.spicer@monacocoach.com. And welcome to the Monaco family. We just covered some of the most asked about features on your new Signature by Monaco. If you still have further questions about how your coach operates, refer to your owner's manual or consult your dealer. And thank you very much from Monaco Coach. All of the video in this presentation was taped in Western Oregon and along the Oregon coast, not far from Monaco Coach Corporation headquarters. A special thanks to the folks at Salmon Harbor RV Park in Winchester Bay and Lane County Park's Richardson Campground and Marina near Eugene for their assistance and hospitality.